Let me show you how easy it is to fit the new Korniche Roof Lantern. You'll need this installation guide, so keep this with you. But also, when you order your lantern, you can also order this, which is the upstand. It's a SIPS upstand. It's insulated so that it reaches the U values that building control require. And this upstand will work with a warm roof or a cold roof, so it's the perfect partner with the lantern. With the eave beams, 2 of them will come with these corner pieces fitted so that you can slot the next section of eave beam straight in. What makes this eaves beam even better is that this whole outside section of it is made by a product called polyamide, which is basically a thermal break. This will reduce the U value on your roof lantern, and that's what you want. So now we've got our eaves beams set onto our SIPS upstand. All we have to do is click them together. This red section here with the arrows on it basically slides into this channel. It's this easy. Look, it comes up, goes into that channel. So now the eaves beam's been clicked together, we actually want to open the corners up a little bit, and they're designed to open up and stop. They won't come apart, okay? And the reason why we do this here is it makes it much easier when we come to fit the spider onto the top of the lantern. The new Korniche Roof Lantern is the only lantern on the market that you can fit with one tool. And you know what? We'll even supply that. It's a PZ2 on one end and a T40 security bit on the other end. We'll send it with the lantern, so don't worry. So let's put the spider together. These literally slot together so simply. It's up into the groove like that, and on the other one, into the groove. Now this rubber section on the top is preset in the factory. You don't have to do anything to it apart from push it down into place. It creates a seal between the rubbers. Take your security bit, set the torque so it isn't too heavy, and that's it. So we'll now take the spider and drop it into place, and you'll see why we left the corners slightly apart, because that makes the whole thing just click together perfectly. Before I go any further, if you'd like to add a bit of ambience to the room, why don't you add the LED strip that we can also supply you with? It literally drops into the channel, runs all the way around the lantern. The electrician feeds this part of the cable through a hole that's already pre-drilled. It's a perfect fit. Click the diffusers on top. Beautiful. One of the great things about the Korniche Roof Lantern is, on a 4-paned unit, it's held together by 6 bolts. These are the bolts. They've got a taper on the end of them, so that when they actually go into the hole, they will find the exact direction that they're supposed to go. Okay, there's 2 in the ridge, and then 1 in each corner. Let me show you how it goes. We always go in from the right-hand side. That bolt slides in. With the taper in it, it's just found exactly where it needs to go. It's really hard to describe something that is this simple. So the Korniche Roof Lantern is designed to be internally tensioned. Now, if you do need to add any more tension to the system, it's done by this bolt here. They are factory set, but just in case you do need to add any more tension to it, it's literally the tiniest of turns. No more to it. Now ready to stick the LEDs down. It's that easy, just back and strip off. Position. So we've put the eaves beams together, we've got the spider in place, our 6 bolts are all in, the whole thing's tight and squared up. We now need to fix the eaves beam down to the upstand, okay? So we've changed our bit over from the security screw to the PZ2. Literally, screw in position, make sure it's lined up. And just to make things even easier, all the holes are pre-drilled. Now the lantern's actually fixed in position, it's time to silicone it. That is so simple. We've got 1 line of silicone to put around the perimeter, and then we fill the corner blocks as well. Your silicone gun goes into this hole, pump the silicone in, it comes out of this hole, and you know that the corner is completely sealed. So I'm ready to fit the cover strips over the LEDs. You'll always get this white opaque cover strip so that the light flows. If you haven't ordered the LEDs and you're using a black or a grey lantern, you're going to get a colour match one of these. Okay, so you don't need to worry about that. They also cover up all the fixings, so if you're looking down on the lantern from above, you won't see any fixings. It's a lovely clean finish. It's time to put the glass in. You'll notice on the glazing retainer there's a cutout. That cutout needs to line up with the bolt in the middle of the frame, and that shows you that the glass is in the correct position. There's also a clip on the bottom here which helps with the PAS 24, because when that's in position you can't actually lift the thing up, and I'll show you how that works in a moment. So we take our glass, set it in position, line the frame up at the bottom, set it in, click, and you'll see a white line that runs all the way along really evenly. You'll know that you're in the right position then. Now that that's clicked into position, it actually can't be lifted off, so it's really secure. So I'm going to put the top caps on now. These here are all push fit. This here just slots into here. Even it up so the whole thing is centralized. Push one end down, give it a bit of tap. The lantern comes with PAS 24 security as standard, so once the top caps are put into position and clicked in, the roof is fully secure. So then put the rest of your top caps on, level it up at the end, push it down. Next is the Boss top caps, and they literally go into position there, push them down, and again, in position. The last part of the process is fitting these end caps here onto the hips. Top in. All the way around. Faster, warmer, stronger, slimmer.